Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about some stretches you can do for your lower back, particularly after a really heavy deadlift session. So, the three stretches we're going to be doing today, two of them are down on the ground, try and get a little bit more movement through our lower back, both in flexion and extension, and then our final one we're going to be doing standing up. So let's go through them now. Okay, our first two stretches here are going from what's called the prone cobra, which puts your back into extension like this, or sorry, flexion like this, and then going into a child's pose, which takes our back into extension like that, curving it the other way. So what we're going to be doing is starting off flat down on the floor in the prone position, and then from here we're going to use our arms to push ourselves up like that, which is called the prone cobra. The key to this is A, I've got my arms at full extension, and B, I'm pushing my belly button down into the floor like so. So all the stretch is happening through here in the lumbar region of your spine. From here, I'm going to tuck my knees underneath and put my weight all the way back, head down into the child's pose. This curves our spine the other way. What we can do is just combine the two for about 10 seconds each direction. So like this, then into here. Another good way is to do about 10 in a row of this. And then apply the tension on and off into the child's pose as well. So back, forward, back, to forward. A final good variation of the child's pose as well is to angle your hips to the left and to the right. So I'm going to turn around and face my butt to the camera so you can see what's happening here. What this allows us to do is just put a little bit more stretch onto each side of your lower back and just release not only your lower back but also a bit of your glutes as well. So the third stretch that we do is standing up, which is called the cricketer's stretch. So what happens here is I'm going to put one hand onto the outside of the opposite ankle, and this hand is going to be up in the air providing leverage. So that's what this looks like now. From here, I'm going to hold that for about 5 seconds, and then I'm going to slowly rotate onto the other side, still keeping my head down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I've done a few of those and things have started to loosen up, then I'm going to rotate through them a little bit more quickly, keeping my head down the whole time. The other thing I'm going to try and do each time is use my top hand to provide a little bit more leverage and try and twist around a little bit further each time. This will help loosen up your back a little bit more. If you combine those three stretches after a heavy deadlift session or a heavy kettlebell session, just provides a little bit more movement through your lower back and can stop it seizing up and making it so uncomfortable when you're trying to move. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.